Just been dismantling this brake servo unit. Well, I say dismantling, I haven't really started yet. I just loosened the fixing bracket. That came off easy. The rubber seal around here has perished, so I've catalogued that and kept it just so that when I go to buy a replacement I've got a reference. And all I'm going to do is, I've wire brushed it. Obviously I'll sand the rest of that off, and I'll repaint it. I've no reason to think it needs any kind of investigation. I believe, well, it worked last time I drove the car 18 years ago, and I saw a friend yesterday who remembers me driving it, so that was nice to see him and him actually remember the car. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I could try and open this up. I don't know much about these. I guess as it's part of the brake system, it possibly should be tested, you know, and checked out. I don't know. I'll look into that, but I'll just make it look nice for now, and then we'll investigate further. Get this rubber gaiter off next. Oh, can I do it with one hand? Nearly. Yes. Apologies for the radio on in the background. I think it's radio 1. There we go. So we'll have a look at that. Get everything off that's not metal within reason. Don't want to break anything, and then give it a good tidy up. Well, that gaiter wasn't coming off, so I turned it inside out, and now of course it will stretch over this, no problem. Underneath it was this plastic sleeve. Inside the brake servo unit, you got a spring, and you got grease, and not much else. Very clean in there, so that should be okay. I'll get a second expert opinion of somebody, but that looks alright to me. But what do I know? If you're looking to get rust off easily, and then I recommend these things: spindle mounted crimped wire wheel metal rust paint. Honestly, compared to my previous smaller gadgets, this one too, which have done a sterling job, to be fair, with many things, whack this on and the difference is very noticeable. It does things a lot quicker. It's just absolutely destroyed this in a matter of seconds. I've just gone over it lightly there. I mean, you know, I'll go a second coat, second run now, it'll get rid of everything else. That's the brake servo unit. I'm just getting it back to metal before I respray it. What have I got hanging around? I have got, we've got some etch primer, I got a satin black, and I'm just probably gonna, I don't know, etch, maybe a standard, and then a couple of coats of that. Or do we use the amurites like I used for the petrol tank up there? Yeah, so I could use that, but I don't know. It's going to get relatively hot in the engine, isn't it? I'll look into that more. But yeah, I'm sure an etch primer is probably the best start. Getting in all the nooks and crannies with this Dremel tool. Here we got That's just been resprayed, looking nice and tidy now. So yeah, it's been a bit of a slow summer.